Connectors. What are connectors? Connectors are joining words. They connect two or more words or sentences. These three can be the connectors: subordinating conjunctions, correlatives, coordinating conjunctions. What is a coordinating conjunction? See the example, I like tea and coffee. Coordinating conjunctions always come between words or clauses that they join. See here, and is a coordinating conjunction. It joins only independent clauses. They are main clauses. Example, it is a school break, so I am going to spend my time easily. So is a coordinating conjunction. It always has a comma before the conjunction. Subordinating conjunctions. It joins a main clause and a subordinate clause. See this example. Although it was raining, Ram went swimming. These are all examples of subordinative conjunctions. A subordinative conjunction comes at the beginning of a subordinate clause. Example, Anil attended the exam although he was ill. He was ill is a subordinated clause. What are correlative conjunctions? Correlative conjunctions are used in pairs to link equivalent element in a sentence. The most common ones are either or, neither nor, both and, not only, but also. See this example, you will understand the movie was neither serious nor funny. Conjunctions can be categorized this way. Number 1, cause and effect. Because, so, accordingly, consequently, and hence. Contrast conjunctions, but, however, nevertheless, unlike, alternatively. Comparison conjunctions, similarly, likewise, except, whereas. Addition conjunctions, and also, even, again, and further. And finally, summary conjunctions, in brief, on the whole, in sum, to sum up.